This is a pretty good electric drill slash screwdriver. As you can see, you can buy all sorts of bits for it that just snap in with a magnet. This is a lengthener. Yeah. So I have a problem with this. I already fixed it one time. I integrated the power bank into it to use its battery because the original batteries that were for NCD and ICD cells, 1.2 volts, so it had 4 of these originally. They died, and then I integrated the power bank that gives slightly less voltage with just one cell, slightly less voltage, but it's still usable, as you can hear. But the problem is that the forward spinny button that gets stuck like that. That's really annoying. The backwards doesn't get stuck. That's so yeah. I didn't even see that the direction is drawn here, in which way it spins. Okay, so I want to fix this, but I may end up just turning the switch over. So, because I usually use this direction, this not so much. So, that direction, if it will work, whatever. I don't need both directions. So let's see. I don't even remember what I did here exactly. Man, this screwdriver doesn't open it. What? Where did I put all my screwdrivers? That's a nice start to a video. Let's use one of these. Yeah. Oh, tiny little screws. I forgot. So I have to... I don't even remember exactly. Oh, I have to get them off on this side only. Yeah, whatever. I take all of them. Now this is amateur hour because I can't see where my screwdrivers are. Oh, I can locate one. 1 second. Here we are, born to screw again. Yeah. I got that. And in the holes. Man, this is really old. This was my grandpa's screwdriver. Not in the sense that since childhood, but yeah. It has a good 10 years of screwing stuff. 10, more than 10, 15 I think. Maybe we can see a date on some of the components. That would be interesting. This doesn't want to come out. So what do? It's screwed out, so I don't know. Let's see. I glued everything to only one side, so this should come apart relatively easily. If I take out this one more screw. Yeah. Bull. You don't want to break it. So yeah, allegedly I made it so that only one side has to come off and everything else is glued to the other side. But you never know what surprises. Come on. Yay! I think it works. But something is holding it. Oh yeah, I glued in a stupid magnet here. Just rip it off. That's stupid. Yeah, I forgot about this stupid magnet. Yeah, that's just throw it away. That's useless. I thought it would be useful, but so yeah, all sparkly hot glue, nice. And this was Yeah, it fell a couple of times, so it came loose. But the battery didn't move that much, so it's good, I think. So let's see. How can we fix this button? This button is really annoying. Yeah, I can't switch the direction. Maybe I can. So I can rotate the electrical part, this part, and I have to rotate also the button because it's not symmetrical. Yeah. Okay, then I think it's already fixed. Nah, just kidding. Or am I? Switch that. Oh, switch the polarities on the motor. That's all I have to do. I have to switch the polarities. Okay. Or on the battery. It's just it has no electronics inside. It's just wiring and the switch. So yeah, I'll do that. This is a quick fix, I think. I don't want to complicate it. Just yeah. How do you take this off? You need I need to pry this piece of metal so it lets go of the plastic button. Yeah, like that. Some springs will fall out without a doubt, because that's how things go. So yeah, and I flip it over, put it back, and call it fixed. Okay. And I also have to switch back the polarities. I must not forget that. So now this is spinning backwards. So wait, what? Oh, yeah, sorry. This has to go back. The battery doesn't let it. It has to go back like this. And the battery will be here now. I hope it has some place. Whatever. Maybe bend this back a little. But it's okay. This is funny. Now it seems that even this direction doesn't get stuck. I don't know how that's possible. Maybe it was here? The mechanical part, not in the switch itself. That's funny. That's funny if that's the case. Okay. So this is how it will stay, and let's switch the polarities on the motor. Does it reach? It has to reach. I just have to cut out a bit hot glue. I went overboard with it. It's all hot glue everywhere. Yeah. Now the wire can come out. Like that. Okay. Fixed. So let's... Yeah, the wire is free, I think. Maybe lift it while soldering. Yeah, it's still stuck there. No, it's not. This wire melted or something. It's so soft. Whatever. Let's just switch them. Does it reach? has to reach, come on. Yeah, it will reach. Let's get some fresh solder here. Where did I put that? Oh, here. Let's get some solder. And put this. Well, I can spin the motor around. That's easier. I think I can, yeah, like this. Man, this fell apart. That sucks. But it's like this, and I spin it around. And it's fixed. Yeah, like that. So now both wires will reach. So I just have to reconnect it here. The white is going here. And the red is on top again. Yeah. This was an easy fix. And I don't even know what the real problem was. Maybe I didn't even have to switch the switch. But yeah, I don't care too much. This just has to work. Doesn't have to be too powerful. Oh, yeah. It doesn't like it because it's not in its proper place yet. That's not good. What happened here? I just turned it around. What is wrong, my child? Oh! It came off! How is that even possible? The sprocket came off. That's unusual. It's spinning. Oh boy. That's bad. How is this? And now it's not coming on anymore. Oh, I see. Oh. No. That's a stupid conclusion. That wasn't it. It just comes off like that. That's normal. So let's try to put it back. Oh, it wasn't in alignment. And the super stupid wire came off. Okay, this is not fun anymore. I just made this video to show you how you can repair such a screwdriver for like $2. That's how much a power bank cost me with one of these cells. So yeah, and it already worked for 15 years. So yeah, that's the point of this video. Yeah, that's the point.